Hello students, from today I'm going to start a new chapter, Manufacturing Industries of 10th class from Geography. And this chapter is started with a short story. That story begins with an occasion of Diwali where a boy, Harish, he went to market with his parents and he purchased so many things like shoes, clothes, utensils, sugar, tea, diyas, etc. And when he was just roaming around the market, he observed that market is full of items in such a large quantity. When he was surprising to see all of these things, his father told him that all these items manufactured by machines in industries. So his father has been used the term manufactured and industries. So let's start it and understand the meaning of manufacturing first. Production of goods in large quantity after processing from raw material to more valuable product is called manufacturing. Another word we can say that manufacturing means to the processing of primary product on a large scale with the help of machine. This is the secondary activity. It means the manufacturing is a secondary activity and it converting raw material into the product of higher value. For example, the paper manufactured from the wood, and paper is more valuable comparatively wood. The next example is sugar. It has manufactured from the sugar cane. The processed sugar is more valuable than the sugar cane. So here wood and sugar cane are primary product, and after manufacturing these product turn in secondary product with the help of machines. So the understanding the term primary product, we have to understand the primary activities and which type of activities it includes. Primary activity includes those occupations which are very close related to the man's natural environment. Some of the examples you have like agriculture. Agriculture is one of the most important primary activities as it has been fulfill our basics needs. The next you have the mining. It provided the minerals for industries. Then you have a fishing. Then fishing is a most important primary activity, the people those who are living in the sea and the coastal region. And the animal husbandry, it is also one of the important primary activities, and it has been done along with the farming for increasing the money, and it provides us to the meat and milk along with the so many different benefits. So the people those who are working in secondary sector, they manufacture the primary material into finished goods. It means they turn raw material into finished product. Mainly these workers has engaged in the steel factories, textile industries, sugar industries, bakeries, etc. So in this video we have discussed about the primary sectors, meaning of a manufacturing, and in our next video we will talk about the importance of manufacturing. Thank you.